Okay, good day, class. Now I explain about these machine tools. Your machine tools is they have a baits or pedestral grinder. Uh, must be careful during of this operation. This pedestral because this bits of grinder is usually mounted of fixed and off-hand grinder, shearing of cutting tools, and these tools, this bit of twist and drill, patch and chisel. So kanang sharpener ka either og naay imong weldingon, for example, imong reducean, and then you welding is a good properly and cleaning. Pwede ra nimo linisan nimo da kung kaya nimong yung mga flat bar na bagay ra madala. But be careful, must be apply or safety tips of grinder operation. Ang yung guantes mo, huwag mong yung guantes na maluwag, either of kantong feet, naman ang dami man doon sa barko doon. Yun ang ano mo, tapos yung eyeglass render and they have a mask and then you use overall. And be careful about this during the operation because as yung pag for example baka kainin doon sa loob yung kinahasaan mo doon, delikado yan sa life mo. So to select of their types or their size of render, whales appreciate for the job. Huh? And also, they have mounted tools of rest and whales of guard. Na-guard na diha skillet. Must be they have a proper. Doon sa barko, dapat i-ano mo yon, implement mo yung may guard kasi yung guard, karoon ng ano yun eh. Ay ano doon yung guard, pang safety yan doon sa ano, kasi mo akyat yung mga taga US, mga authorities, tinitingnan yon may sukat, ha? May sukat at saka yung guard must be have no vibration of your grinder, bits grinder. Nasa Pimay na
Ay,
birog na
lako-lako dali.
operasyon na siya dati. I-mute ng imo doy. I-mute ng inyo. Kaya kamo yung pabasahon na naro. So we always of goggles of render during the operation. Aron pag punta mo doon sa barko, kompleto. Dating mo doon, kompleto yung mata mo, pag uwi mo, kompleto pa rin. Kasi huwag kang magmadali doon sa pag-grind-grind. Must be careful during the operation. Use your hold and device of grinder to shorter. Ayaw daka pag pakaon. For example, ayaw po huwag mong i-didiin ang gusto. Kasi baka kainin yung parentan, sisel, screwdriver. Nasaan man yung screwdriver doon sa barko, kung utusan ka ng German or Hapon, you make sharpener of this is flat. Yung minus at saka flat, parehos lang yon. Yung screwdriver, pasaan sa'yo. Kasi makagamit ng electrician, pudpud na yung dulo, pasaan doon. And then, maghasa ka doon, magtingin si engineer, you execute a proper PPE, kanang sa imong kuha, na mask, na goggles, matagal yan kasi naka-overall na ka doon eh. Naka-wear of overall na ka eh. Plito na yung ano mo doon. Bisa nakita mo yung doon. Yung isa kong barko nga sinakyan doon nga may familiarization. Iwan ko yung iba diyan o nagpas pa. Kasi yung iba eh hindi alam eh. Mayroon pala diyan sir. Oh, dating na namang hapit Disyembre. Ang tagal siguro lang. Hindi na yung is my video of my discussion. And please prescribe mo man yun. Makita mo yung sinakyan ko doon 2010 yun. Tiga, yun ang anuhan mo. So, oh, you see, yung isa na itong malalaki na
Mod game nga.
Sealant type drilling machine. They have a part during the examination. Must be he knows it's this part. Naani sa PMI, nakita niya doon, yung iba dito, may handrail,
Yes, sir.
rail chalk, cable,
Yes, sir.
Herb electric of motor and filler. How to use operate before. Doon na ni familiarization before. Ako na ning familiarization niyo noon. Ngayon, gi-discuss na ko. So, pag-akyat, pagbaba, and they have adjustment. No? Mo drill ka, pwede i-reverse. And then, must be careful. Always. Kay kani, og mo pilit ng imong drill bit diha, ikot man yung ano, for example, yung bakal, didikit. Mao that in case of they have emergency, you make stop of emergency. But your position, naka-step ka forward yung left side mo. Yan ang tinuturo ko sa inyo noon sa familiarization. Mo na ba? Makadali ka lang makailag eh. So now, he knows already this part. You have the base, cable, drill choke. Atong drill choke, mo ito yung mga kuanan. Doon na ni sa key. Yan, nakita niya itong key. So drill press and one of these base tools that is used to provide a sufficient service of the people. This floor of model standard drill of these general types of operate high to speed and hand. This speed of this mechanism with these parts of their common with all of the size drilling machine is provide capacity of drilling operation enable is to operate control through the hand of pressure. So, pag manship to mo, yan ang maano nyo dito sa laboratory, how to use, and then, yung manship po to, dati, yung mga tubo, pabutasan ko, must be the complete, how much of your make the whole of the pipe, that's order of chief engineer. For example, you make 12 millimeter, 12 mm ang imong drill bit. So he knows already this 12 millimeter, he knows because already to teach how to operate. But before you cannot operate because manship 3 pa, manship 1 pa man eh. So diya, makita nimo, dunay fully belt, head of feed, depth of adjustment, spindle of clamp, spindle of choke, fork of the table, column of cham of table, and motor. Do not press too much during the imong tawag doon yung make force by the body kanang normal ra nga yung pagdiin mo hindi po mabigat, hindi kay tawag yung wag mong anuhan yung kumbitayan yung handle baka mabali eh. Yung iba kasi magdali eh. So now the drill health of this are the top most of this part of their housing. This mechanism carried of this device of the spindle with their round shaft of fitted with the choke of their end hold and cutting and drill bit. Maputol to siya. Maigo sa imong lawas is very dangerous. So, be careful ha. Huwag mo na. And then, you put oil. During this operation, kung naiko ano, lagyan mo ng oil yung sa dito sa drill bit, sa ano mo, aron medyo lumambot yung bakal kapag naka-drill ka. The spindle of the important wheel drill of their press, you see, that is used for this tools responsible of this rotation.
Mahawal ero, oy. Oy, pawis na na.
Kinsa man ang
Bansa ero. Ero, sa'yo na, ero, oy. Di ta kadungog. Ero. Banda kayo. Siguro ng ero. Ha? Padabuhan ng ero, please. Pusi ng ero.
Ay po.
Mute, enjoy.
Saba na daw.
Idol.
Naka-record na pa na.
Ay, sir.
Oh.
Sir.
Sir.
Yun na.
Good
Nanay
morning, sir.
magka-online. Lisod kayo. Kay
Ako
uban
na
yung
anak
mga.
ng hero. Kilawon na to ng hero, be.
Maka-plite-plite mo anto dito. Jok. Maka-pistope. Hamong ipistope dito. Kalo to. Labong kay naara dire ka-discuss. May ingay mo. This is the column of there's a Highlandry Tikal post of it hold in support of drill head. Ha? Or ba ni inyong manship 2? Naani siya laboratory na. Exercise. This table, working of table, must be he knows. Kasi kung makabali mo dyan ng drill bit yan, pabayarin kayo ng instructor. Kasi papirmahon kayo doon eh. Must be he knows how to operate. Naman po sa YouTube na. Huwag mo nang ngita ka dito how to operate this drilling machine. Kita ni mo na. So, this machine, I cannot remove of there upward and down. Ha? To be can be move. Katong gituro no ninyo. Just sa kiliran, pwede ni mo iakyat, pwede ni mo ibaba. Pareho lang yun sa barko nga nakita. Di ba doon sa familiarization ng 2010, yung sinakyan ko, makita man yan doon. The shop, na welding, na tanan. So, this rotation around this column unrequired. Kinahanglan po na siya na nakalock in the base. Why? Pag mo ikot na o malapit yun sa tiyan mo, o yung bakal na binutasan mo sa katubo, around of this mga 1 meter, di matamaan ka kung mo ikot yun. Ha? Kasi mo dikit yun eh. So, must be, tong sa familiarization, akong gituro kung saan yung emergency and how to reset. Kuha? To make reset or press emergency, press now too much. And then that is on one finger and then you reset. 1/3 lang. Di kayong iba, hinawakan ng lahat yan ng buo. Kala mo, tumba na lahat eh. Iganon mo lang yung kamay mo doon, tapos i-twist. Ha? What? So this is a mineral tools of their safety tips. When using of these tools under following dictionary mission, consider prevent of accident or this working of their guard. Night guard. Katong sa kanang naadya sa PMI nga pan. Dito sa Amerika, ang official mo. Saba rin.
Sa pili na itong
Pagod ka mo na.
Pag mute mo, kay Saba ka daw.
So this working guard is always, tandaan mo, ikaw mga official, pag ikot doon sa authorities sa Amerika, that is means the PEC. What do you mean by PEC? I told you before. This poor state control. Ha? Bisan yung papa mo, tanungin mo, ay IMSA, poor state control. Kasi yung grinder mo, kung hindi tama yung ng ano mo sa guard at saka yung measurement how to turn your kadtong imong stone karoon ng deficiency. Why? Ato mo igo na doon sa official, kung kamo mo official, who is the in charge of this drill machine. Why is this one? It's very dangerous for your crew. Mao na yung una na. Lahi na tong sa unang panahon. Karon is very dangerous about this. These authorities is always, but the situation of the port state control is make the crew on board is safety. Ha? Nga dili nga magawan, for example, di ka maaksidente, natanan, waya mo yung mga lake, o nagnay-lake, he knows already how to welding. Baka kuan mo, ari mo sa manship 3 na. Either under mo na ponpon, di ka kibaw mo welding, hawakan ko mo yung kamay mo kung paano pag-welding. Di ba? Matuwa-tuwa yung mga estudyante kasi ganun man yung ano ko. Ibang pabayaan na kayo dyan. Basta lang maka-welding-welding. Hawakan ko. they have a technique and idea for during the welding. So now follow works operating instruction. Na instruction na skilled dito sa barko. Before the measuring and cleaning and adjustment of their sure of their stop the machine. Mostly of on board before Irish wiper. Pagpatakbo doon, hindi ipara. Pagkabukas, nag-overhead. Pag magsabi na kung sinong naggamit, wala mang CCTV doon sa workshop, wala nang umamin. Natakbo, nag-init yung motor. How many hours? During the operation of the engine room. The engine room is very critical. Kinahanglan, mukuan ka, ang tawag na ug ari na mo sa engine watts nga subject. Double check always. You understand? Double check. So, keep your hand. Katong mga heavy object of this lifting of their equipment. Keep your hand off of the revolving parts of never laid off your machine.
Natita.
Ikot na diha. Di mo na makumpiyansaan. So, immediate. Please switch on there's off and lead machine if you're in case of abnormal condition. May bago gani ka nga nag-vibrate, nag-init, or ang iyang stone is not good condition, must be the stop. Now, this recommended of the following of their clip of YouTube. Cam. Yan na dia, injura ng typhoon, mugawas na ng video, ana. Clip of, na dia, pila na kabuok, 4. So, must be, he knows how to operate. So, sapa mga iro dong, ako na para. At least the discussion is enough. Pagaw na mga. Dapat. So, niya, yung video niya, tanawa lang. Kayo pon. Tingnan lang niyo dyan. Okay, thank you very much for the attending of this student attending.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Salamat, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Check ko po sa inyong
Thank you, Jud Magno. Thank you, sir. Tindan, sir.
Sir.
Tatak na dia, nara na dia. Anak to ba? Si anak na.
Ay, sir. Ay, sir.
Hi,
Ay,
sir.
tanaw na mga naong na tanan, makita mo na.
Ay, sir.
Dami na 96 po.
Present, sir. Present.
Paano na?
Hindi, tindan.
Naman.
Paano na?
Sir, tindan sa mo, sir.
Titik ba na?
Sir, good morning, sir.
Magno. ID.
Okay, nakuha na ng attendance na, Doy.
Nakuha na, sir.
Nakuha na.
Sige, sir. Good
Salamat.
morning,
Ay,
sir.
sir.
Sige,
Good morning.
Magno gwapo.
Yes, sir.
Ay, tilo, bye, 88.
Nabuhay.